Hi guys, I'm here with my son Wolfgang, and we are going to show you how I do my eyeliner. But you're just sitting here eating your snack, aren't you? Yeah. And so, I do this every day. It's super quick and easy. He's always by me when I put on my eyeliner and makeup, so I figure he can be in the video with me. Do you want to sit on my lap? I have always had so many questions about my eyeliner, and so I thought it was about time I show you guys how I do that. So every day I use my Maybelline Ultra Liner in waterproof. I always only use waterproof because the other stuff smudges and I don't like that. So I always start by doing the outside of the eyes and trying to make sure that the angle matches. That's the trickiest part, is making sure the angle matches and that they're the same length. Okay. And then I go ahead and I do the inside. Alright, so I'm just continuing to do a tight little eyeliner line along my eyes, and I always start small and work bigger because, like I tell people, if I have big eyeliner on, I usually get compliments like, oh, your eyeliner looks so great, and it's like, yeah, I got a little big today because I messed up a few times. So leave yourself some room for error, and just try and steady your hand. I usually use my face a little bit to steady my hand, or I support my elbow with my other hand, and just keep on working back and forth and checking it as you go, and do little bits at a time. Make sure that the brush has plenty of eyeliner liquid on it, but also not too much, so you want to kind of make sure that you have that happy medium, because if it's too dry it'll look spotted, and if it's too wet you are going to end up smearing or running or something like that before it can actually dry. Well, now you know my perfect eyeliner secrets, so go ahead, subscribe, follow along on theclassyartist.com, and let's be friends.